If you are starting your journey in artificial intelligence, data science, or machine learning, then Python is unavoidable. But here is the problem: most Python courses teach syntax, not understanding. So, in this course, we are going to learn Python in a very different way. Many beginners can write Python code, but they feel lost when they see real data sets, NumPy, arrays, or pandas data frames. That happens because Python is often taught without context. You learn what to type, but not why it exists. This is not just a Python course. This is Python taught from a data and AI perspective. We will start from absolute basics, even simple things like print function and variables, but every concept will be linked to how data is stored, processed, and analyzed in real AI projects. My focus in this course will not be speed, but clarity. Here is how this course is structured. First, I will explain. In every video, I will explain the idea behind a concept in plain English. Then, we will look at the Python syntax. I will use small, meaningful examples, not random ones. And we will move slowly enough so that even if you have never written code before, you won't feel lost. After every video, I will also put the assignment in the video description for your practice. It will help you to learn the concepts with hands-on practice. Then I will give you the solution for the assignment in the next video. By the end of this course, you will be comfortable reading and writing basic Python code, understand how Python handles data, be able to explore data sets using NumPy and Pandas, and most importantly, you will not be scared of Python anymore. This course is for absolute beginners, for students from non-computer science backgrounds, and for anyone who wants a strong foundation before moving into AI or data science. You don't need any prior programming experience to start this course. So it is the time for you to get rid of Python fear in AI/ML and use it confidently. If this sounds like the right approach for you, subscribe and follow this series. Let us build your Python foundation the right way. Now, in this video, let us start with the course. We will see how to install and set up the Python and the environment for your Python coding in AI/ML. So let us move to the screen. Let me show you that how to download and install Python and IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So first, let us download the Python and install it. So to download the Python, you will just go to Google and search for Python download, and then you will go to this official website of Python. And then here to download, you will just click on this download Python install manager. And here when you click on it, so this will basically download the latest version of Python for you. When you click on it, we download it like this, and now it is getting downloaded. So we can see that now it is downloaded. So when I just go on this, open it, and it is saying that Python install manager is already installed because it is already installed on my desktop. So you will just, if it is not installed in your laptop or in your PC, you can just go and just click on this install Python, and then it will get installed. Now next, let us download the IDE. So for IDE, I use VS Code. So we will download the VS Code. That is the most prominent used IDE right now. So for that, you will just go to Visual Studio Code download, and then you will get this link. And then for Windows, or depending on your operating system, you can just download the relevant VS Code. Okay, once you download, then you can install it. It is already installed on my laptop, so there is no need to download it again. But you can download and install like you did it for Python. Now, once you download and install the VS Code, then we can just open the app in the laptop, and then you can continue coding with the Python. So let us do that also. So this is the interface of Visual Studio Code, and here so I'm already in a particular folder that is called Python code. Okay, now here to code here, you can just create the Python file here. So let me tell you, the file for Python has always an extension called .py. So suppose if I want to create a file, so that's my folder. Okay, so and if you want to change the folder, or so, then you can always do this. Suppose you want to go to another folder from your laptop or from your basically PC. So you can just go to open folder, and then just click on any folder and just enter. Okay, so now I am in this Python code folder. Now I can just create a file by clicking on new file. And for that, suppose if I just write first code, that's my name of the file, and .py, you need to add an extension. So when you do .py, you will just get a file. Here you can code in Python language. Okay, so that's it. Now when you write the code on this screen, that's fine, right? But when you run it, where will be the output? So first of all, let me tell you that if I suppose I'm just writing one code or one line of code, print. So basically, print function you must know, and if even if you don't know, that's fine. We will discuss it in the next video. But let me write some code here just to show you the output, that how do you run the code and get the output. Suppose this is the code line of code in the Python. Now I want to run it and get the output. So now how to do that? So for that, uh, there is one thing called terminal. So for that, what will you do? You will press Control and Delta on the keyboard, and you will get this terminal opened here at the bottom. Okay, that's it. Now how to run this code or this line of code? For that, there is a button here that is called run. Okay, so whenever you write something on this screen, you will just press this run button, and then it will show the output in the terminal. That's it. So when I just press run, you will see that, see, it is printing hello world. So in this way, whatever you write here, just press run and then get the output. That's it, right? So this is how you do it. Okay, now here one more thing. On the left bar, you have one more thing that is very important in VS Code, that is called extension. So when you click on extension, you can always, like, you have the extension in the Google Chrome browser, right? Where you can just integrate some add-on services. Okay, similarly here also you have to do that. So to bring the complete Python functionality, there is one extension for Python here in the VS Code. You will just search for the Python here, and it will show the extension of Python for VS Code. This one, the Microsoft. So now here it is already installed on my laptop, but you can install it by clicking install here. Okay, it is already installed, so it is already able for me. Okay, so once you do that, now the Python is completely functional in your VS Code. You can always write the code. Okay, and this is the tab to get the folder which is currently active in the VS Code, and that's it. So this is how you do the basic, or you basically execute the things here. Right now, as we learn more codes or more concepts in Python, you will just code it here and get the output in the terminal. That's it. Fine. So this is how you download it. And now from the next class, we will start with the basics of basically Python, or some Python introduction I will give you. And then we will start with the basic Python coding. Okay, so let us meet in the next video. Thank you.